in Europe, they forced the standard of USB-C. So Apple was going to have to do that for at least the European. But the decision, of course, was, well, if you're going to do it for Europe, you do it for the rest of the world, in which most of the world has already shifted over to USB-C. So this was just a natural progression.
Here's another example of smart HDR.
The spatial camera to allow you to the eventual 3D images, that's a great new feature. I would suspect that if you drill down a bit more, the most important thing was the new GPU. What I found interesting though, and they didn't elaborate as much, but when you go to each one of the carriers, you're basically going to get it at least at $1,000 off based on your program. And consumers need to really be aware of going to their Verizon's, AT&T's, T-Mobile's, and being able to turn in an old phone and get at least $1,000 up to maybe $1,200 discount, so that the new iPhone is going to be marginal in the context of a cost.